Ready to launch into a career as a mortgage loan originator? Buckle up, because one of the critical milestones on this journey is conquering the challenging SAFE MLO national test. But here's the stark truth. Only 56% of first-time test takers pass this formidable exam. So in other words, slightly less than half of those who attempt it fall short. The NMLS exam sets a high bar deliberately to ensure that MLOs meet the demanding financial responsibilities and rigorous standards of the mortgage industry. The SAFE Act of 2008 brought in essential regulations to safeguard the integrity of the mortgage industry, and the NMLS test mirrors these stringent requirements. Since its inception, the test has evolved along a surge in regulations, making compliance increasingly complex. One of the major hurdles of the NMLS SAFE exam is grappling with intricate concepts, which even seasoned industry professionals can find daunting. To surmount this challenge, thorough study is essential. Grasp the concepts deeply and then apply them to real-world scenarios. Use practice tests to pinpoint areas needing improvement and concentrate your efforts there. Preparedness is key. The NMLS offers a detailed test outline and the MLO testing handbook to aid in your preparation. Success on this exam demands more than memorization. It necessitates a profound understanding of concepts and regulations. Mere repetition of practice questions won't suffice here. There's a vast pool of potential questions that you can be asked, and your set of 120 won't necessarily be predictable. Master the concepts rather than banking on the memorization. Considering the 56% first-time pass rate, it's evident that the NMLS test is hard. However, the level of difficulty ultimately hinges on your preparedness. Thorough study in the lead-up to the exam can significantly reduce its challenge. Relying solely on your SAFE 20 pre-licensing course won't cut it here. Dedicate multiple hours daily to dissecting the national test content outline and mastering its concepts. Moreover, ensure your SAFE MLO test prep materials are from a reputable source. Verify that they align with current federal laws and the latest test outline. Steer clear of providers promising insider access to questions. It's time to conquer the NMLS test and secure a license. With diligent preparation, you can face the exam confidently and launch your career successfully. My Mortgage Trainer offers comprehensive test prep resources to get you closer to your dream of becoming a mortgage loan officer. Don't settle for being a statistic. Arm yourself with the most comprehensive national test prep available and conquer the exam on your first try. Contact us today at 317-566-0425 to begin your journey or to learn more. Visit our website, mymortgagetrainer.com, for detailed information and to take the first step to your thriving MLO career.